Okay, now this is how we take off a KAM snap. So as you can see, yeah,
This isn't going to snap.
Yeah, so pick one side to take off, which we have more of that color.
Alright. Well, you need a pair of, these are jewelry removal cutters.
My set's actually garden nippers for jewelry pliers, floral pliers.
As you see, and no kidding, it's that easy. It's off. You saw how that easy that was, and you could even rescue this piece if you push that piece through. So since that happened so fast, we've got another one that we prepared. Yeah, we totally did that on purpose. And I'm going to show you one more time. Put the blade around it. Just kind of use your finger to hold that together. Take it slow. Push it most of the way down. And flip them over.
The flipping it over keeps it from cutting into the material, because sometimes if you go through that, you will actually pinch the material from underneath.
That's off. And now we can. The caps are, of course, waste, but everything else is salvageable. I can even use this piece again.
Alrighty.